Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some unboxing with dumplings. Let's get started. Okay. Finally, my parents bought me so many dumplings. Look, there's so many. Okay, let's get started. First, this one. Okay, let's get started. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's the pink glitter dumpling. Oh, look how cute this is. Okay, now let's put it back here. Put it at the table. Now let's do our second one. Okay, let's open the second one. Okay, let me touch it for good luck. Okay, as you can see, I got my nails done. Yes, I got them done yesterday. So, yeah. My favorite color is purple. Wow, this is a little hard to open. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I got the glitter dumpling. Oh my god. I got the glitter dumpling. I knew I should have touched it for good luck. I'm so lucky. Hopefully I get the glitter ones for all the other ones, but at least one is not a glitter, like original. Okay, let's do our third one. But before I open the third one, let me touch it for good luck. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll give you 5 seconds to like and subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. 3, 2, 1. I got the like glitter. It's another glitter. Oh my god. It's another glitter. How many glitters am I gonna get? Okay, now let's do our fourth one. Now I'm gonna count to 5 seconds again until I open it, and 5 seconds to subscribe if you didn't subscribe, and like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you didn't, then what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. I got a duplicate. Oh no, I got 2 duplicates. Look, I got duplicates. It's okay. They're still brothers. They could be brothers because they're blue, so yeah, they could be brothers and brothers. Okay, this one is my 5th one. Okay, I saw it. It's another duplicate. Oh, now they're gonna be triplets. Okay, now let's open another one. Okay, 3, 2. Please do not be a duplicate. I swear, if it is a duplicate, tapping it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it does not be a duplicate. Okay. It's a duplicate with another pink. They could be sisters, but hopefully I don't get another one of these. Like for real. But I still like it. I really want a purple one. Okay. Let's get started. I'm going to tap this one 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to let you guys see it, and I'm going to let you guys guess the color. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to guess the color. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you didn't guess the color, you could pause the video and guess that color. 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you guessed the white one, then the shiny white one, then you're right. Okay, next. Okay, now I'm going to let you guys guess 2 colors this time. So I'm going to give you 10 seconds to guess the color again. 5, 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. If you guessed the same one. Okay, I got another duplicate. Please do not get another duplicate of these. Okay, I got another duplicate. Okay, I got 4 more dumplings left. Okay, I'm gonna tap this one. Please be a normal one. Please. Guess the color. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's get started. Guess the color. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's a different one. Oh my gosh, this is the shark version one. Or what is it? It has Orbeez inside. I never saw this kind of dumpling before. This is definitely a rare. This is my favorite one. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. That one is the best one. Please get like another. Hopefully these other ones are the same as these ones but different colors. Hopefully they are. Like for real. Please be. Please. 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 Okay. Please. That was like the best dumpling I've ever seen and I've ever squished. Okay. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I got another duplicate. Yay! I got another one. Okay. This one's actually so good. That has Orbeez inside. That's so good. I only have 2 left. Please be good ones. Please give me luck. Give me love. Guys, wish me luck. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to wish me luck. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wish me luck. Wish me luck. So this could be a good dumpling. Oh, I didn't get this one yet. Oh my god. It's the rare one. Look, it's like the golden sparkly one. Okay. Clock it. Okay. Not bad. Okay, but I keep getting some duplicates. I'm not gonna lie. But, like, I'm so happy I got the Orbeez one. Okay, so, yeah. Last one. Please wish me luck. Please. Wish me luck. 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 Another duplicate? Another duplicate? Okay. But I still like it. Now we got an empty box. Aww. Well, we got all these dumplings over here. Okay, let's do a little bit of ASMR with the dumplings. Let's start with the Orbeez ones. First we're going to do one, then we're going to do both. I don't know if you really could hear the ASMR, but anyways, I'm just going to do it. Okay, now let's do 2. Okay, the Orbeez one's done. We got 3 of these ones. Okay, they're watery. They sound watery. Okay, those ones are done. We got 2 of these ones. Let's do them. Okay. Still watery. Now we got only 1 of the glitter one. Yeah. Okay. Hold up. This one's not that watery. We got 2 of these. The shiny ones. Okay. Not that watery, but still watery. They don't have water inside. They sound watery. They sound gooey. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to set them up so you guys can see them. Whoosh. That's a big pile. Look how many I have. Okay, so I'm going to turn you guys that over there. Okay, so I'm going to set them up. Not by color, but just like so you guys can see them. Okay. So, my favorite, if you guys want to know what my favorite ones are, they are the Orby ones. They are so good. They're like so good and so satisfying. My second favorite one is, okay. This one. Third, this one. And yeah, I like all of them. Not gonna lie. I like all of them. They're all mine. Okay, so I like all of them. But now, I'm gonna show you all of them to the camera. So first, we got the triplets. We got the triplets. Now, we got the one lonely dumpling, the glitter dumpling. Then we got the 2 twins. Now we got the other 2 twins. Where's the face? How dare they don't have a face? There you go. Twins. And twins. Where's the face? And twins. Almost all of them are twins except for the glitter dumpling. And almost all of them are triplets, but only one of them are triplets. Almost all of them are twins. Only one does not have a twin. This one. Okay, so thanks for watching my unboxing dumpling video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah. Peace. Bye. Clock it.